So continuation to the previous class, that is what is inheritance types discussed, and next topic is member access and inheritance. What is member access and inheritance is, so for example, if you are having any member in your superclass that is private, then it cannot be accessed in the child class. So I will demonstrate that concept with the program, then you can understand better. So for example, we go with our previous program. So this is our simple previous program. So otherwise we write another program, that's better. So now you are having a class private, let's take as a private PRA, and you are having here one variable int a is equal to 10, and that variable I am going to declare as it with access modifier public, and now having another variable that is private variable private int b is equal to 20. Now like this you are having variables. So these two variables are available in my particular class. Now I have a class. Class use. Now what I am doing here is I am creating the object for my private class. Private p1 is equal to new private, and now I am going to print those two variables in my child class. So class use, so make as a parent and child, I need to use the extends keyword. My class use extends private, and use the capital. So always use the capital letter for your thing. Save it as a use.java. And now here what I am doing is public variable. So with the help of the p1 object, I am going to printing p1.a, and now so my private variable p1.p. So just what we done, we created a class with private with the name and created two variables. One is a public int a is equal to 10, the second one private int b is equal to 20. Like that we created a class private with two variables, and one is a public variable and second one private. Now you can understand what is the difference between public and private. And I have a use class. In my child class I am extending the private super class, and for that I created one object, and with the help of the object I am maxing my variables a and b. So let us compile this program and execute. What is the error? Errors, anything we are getting. So what is the error we are getting is, see, B has a private access in private. So what is the error we are getting is, so B variable is having. So what is the thing is inheritance. If a variable is a private variable in a super class, it cannot be accessed in the child class. So your private is the super class, and your use class is the child class. So what is the definition is, superclass private variables cannot access in child class. So this is the thing. So what is the problem is here is, what is the problem? If a variable is superclass, if a variable private variable, then cannot access in the child class. For example, let us remove the private and write public, and now try to compile the program and try to execute it. There is no any problem with the program is successfully compiled. It is not generating any error. I am getting the output public variable 10 and public, so I not changed it, 20 is getting. So when it is causing a problem is, whenever your variable is a private variable, then it cannot be accessed in your child class. It